Guess what, y'all? Bonus train in the rain. At least the gates are working down here at Wyoming Avenue. Oh, sorry. I was talking out loud. I was thinking and at the same time answering out loud. Looks like we got a grain train, maybe? I got a horn salute at this guy, though. Oh, I'm on the wrong side of the tracks. Got a train meeting. I'm on the wrong side of the darn tracks. Oh. Two heavy trains going past each other, shaking the ground under my feet, man. There goes NS. And there's CSX. Running south. This guy just came off the Indy sub out of Avon, Indiana. That's why he's running south on here and not an NS. Well, they got the crossovers tied in for the most part. I thought there was more over here, but... There's Tubby. Leaky grainers. Count on them, man. There they go. Bonus train number 2 and 3. Nice. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.